Welcome to 60-Second Math. Today we'll be talking about expressions, specifically what coefficients, terms, and constants are in an expression. So up here at the top, we have the expression that we're going to be looking at, and we have these vocabulary words over here: terms, coefficients, and constants. So terms are the individual pieces of our expression. So right here, we would say each individual piece. You're going to keep each sign with its piece, and each of those would be your terms. So if we're saying how many terms we have, we would say there are 3 terms. Our 3 terms would be 3x is one term, negative 4y is our second term, and then negative 11 is our third term of our expression. Alright, the next thing would be coefficients. The coefficients are the numbers in front of the variables. So we have a variable x here, and the number in front of it is 3. And then we have a variable y here, and the number in front of it is negative 4. Make sure you keep the sign. So the coefficients here would be 3 in front of the x and negative 4 in front of the y. Alright, the last thing we have is constant. Constant is a number in your expression that has no variable. In this case, it would be any number that you did not use as a coefficient. And we have negative 11 has no variable next to it, so that would be our constant, would be negative 11. Alright, here's another one. I would invite you to find the terms, the coefficients, and the constants of this. If you'd like to try this on your own, please pause the video right now. Alright, if you wanted to find these together, terms, we have 4 terms. So we would say we have 4 terms. Coefficients, we would have 16, negative 12 in front of our y. And this one is a little bit tricky. We have a 1 right here in front of our z because this is negative 1z. So you'd have the coefficient of negative 1. And last but not least, our constant be this lovely number that has no variables next to it, which would be 23. Alright, if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. If you enjoyed this video, like and subscribe. If you have feedback or problems that you would like solved, feel free to also email those or put them down in the comment section.